Did it work?
Hello, Jeff. This is lab number 4, the lymphatic system. And my beautiful model, Lexi Geiger. The lymphatic system. First thing I do, I guess, will be explain where the lymph nodes are. So, Lexi, if you could point to where I tell you to point. I'm gonna tell you where the lymph nodes are. The cervical lymph nodes. They are grouped along the lower border of the jaw, behind the ears, deep in the neck. Thank you. There's the axillary lymph under the armpit. Yes. The inguinal lymph nodes. You get the lymph from the legs, and they are right there behind the inguinal ligament. The pelvic lymph nodes. They are mostly along the paths of blood vessels within the pelvic cavity. In the pelvic cavity. Right on. The abdominal lymph nodes. Along the main branch of the arteries of the intestines and abdominal aorta. Right, there you go. Thank you very much. The thoracic lymph nodes. Between the lungs and along the windpipe and bronchi. Yes, right there. And last but not least, the supratrochlear lymph node, above the medial epicondyle of the humerus. Right? Yep. Thank you. Now if you could just stand there and look nice while I explain the locations. Not the locations. Explain the functions of the lymphatic system. To monitor body fluids provided by the lymphocytes and macrophages. And also filtering the lymph before you send it out to the rest of the body. Now, Lexi, I'm going to need you to do one more thing. I'm going to take a really, really deep breath. And let it out. Wasn't that nice? Let me tell you what just happened. Impulses conducted on the phrenic nerve stimulated the muscle fibers inside of the diaphragm below the lungs to contract. The diaphragm is going to move down and open up that thoracic cavity, really open it up. While the diaphragm is contracting and moving the muscles between the ribs, the intercostals, may also be stimulated to contract. You may breathe out. And we'll try that one more time. These intercostal muscles contracting cause the ribs and sternum to move up and out, enlarging the thoracic cavity even more. If a person takes a deeper than normal breath, the diaphragm and external intercostals contract more forcefully. So let me get a big inhale. Just like that. There's also additional helper muscles, such as the sternocleidomastoid and pectoralis minor, that help with inspiration. Jeffrey, I hope you've enjoyed this lab. We'll see you next time.